Good afternoon and welcome to Trade of the Day. Today's date is 20th of April 2015. We've had a lot of trades on today. Us being a Monday, we're taking both the buy and the sell zone, so all you Platinum clients know Monday is a busier day with the trading. Now, we had a lot of opportunities here in order to take a lot of pips out of the market. The first opportunity arose at 8 a.m, which was the Euro Swiss. So straight into our trading time at 8 a.m. We can see on the screen here Euro Swissy. See at this price here of 1.0238 to the market's just shot up here, easily 20 pips out of this particular trade. The reason you wouldn't have taken this buy zone here is because it was too early. Yeah? It was before 8 a.m. and you can see just how powerful the zones are. It's become within a pip of this sell zone up here, and look how dramatically the market's dropped. Okay, so just showing again how powerful the zones are on the system there. The next trade that we had was a Euro trade. You can see in here on the buy zone, it's entered the buy zone here, and you can see again market just shooting up 20 points off that particular price level. I believe that was 1.0741 on that particular price there. Then we had another one which was the cable. Again into the buy zone here. You can see at the price of 149.20, again easily 20 points out of the market off that particular buy zone. Okay. The next trade that we had was actually an important zone trade, which was the dollar Swissy at 95.90. I'll also show this. I'll just bring the trading floor across here. You can actually see this particular level. Important selling trading zone for dollar Swiss at 95.90. We actually had another zone trigger, which is 77.50 on the Aussie, which I will show briefly after this one. We can see as the dollar Swiss, just bring this chart up. See, this is the zone here. If I get the price of 95.90, which is bang on just here at the top of the sell zone, you can see here market's barely gone sort of 5-6 pips above that particular level, and it's just dropped down nicely. You can see it's dropped over 60 pips from that particular level, just showing how accurate that level was. The Aussie important zone was the 77.50 zone. So you can see that's just this zone here. You can see 77.50, and it's gone up 20, it's gone 20 points off that particular zone. We actually had another zone which is just here on the Aussie. You can see you could take an easily 15 pips out of this particular one, depending on where you got in. If you got in the bottom of the buy zone, you would have got 20 pips off that particular trade. If we go on to the Kiwi now, which is the New Zealand dollar, see it's hit the buy zone here, and it's just rocketed up 20 pips. No problem at all on that particular trade. We never hide the losers, so the losers that we had today, we had a Aussie buy zone early in the morning, and we had a dollar yen also earlier in the morning. I believe it was a sell, you can see here. And then there's one in play, as you can see on the chart. So in total, that's 95 pips taken out of the market today. The news that we had two speeches. We had Polos, and we also had well, Stevens actually came out unannounced at 3 p.m. With an announcement saying that the odds could well depreciate in due course, as a lowering of interest rates has to be on the table. So if we actually go to the Aussie dollar chart, you can see here at the particular time of his announcement at 3 p.m, look what's happened to the odd. It's weakened, yeah, from that statement that has come out. Then we had Polos coming out, states that the rates cut in January appears to have put the Canadian economy back on track. So if we go on to the dollar CAD chart, you can see at the time of his statement, look what's happened, the CAD strengthened. Yeah, so that's why having this institutional news feed here is so important to see exactly what's happening in the markets. So that was the trades of the day, 95 pips. For the beginning of the week on a Monday, absolutely great start to the week. So fantastic if you took all those trades. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.